Hi, I'm Cody from Endura Products, and today we're going to be talking about Endura's replaceable deck seal and how to remove and replace the aluminum when a mullion is present. How many times on your job sites have you noticed damage to the sill deck? A hammer gets dropped, a rock scratches. What are you left to do other than sawzall the threshold out or offer the homeowner some sort of monetary rebate? Not anymore with Endura's replaceable deck seal. To remove the aluminum, first you're going to have to remove any excess caulk that may be on the door unit from underneath the jamb, around the mull, and around your second jamb. Once you've removed any surface caulk, you'll want to come back with a thin, flexible blade putty knife and work it underneath your jambs as well as your mullions to break any caulk loose that may not be visible. Insert a stiff putty knife into the bottommost groove and bend up. This disengages the aluminum from the substrate below. Once you have successfully bent the front of the seal and detached the aluminum from the substrate below, coming back in using a pair of vice grips, bend up, creating further separation, and begin removing the aluminum. It's important that you work from side to side and not try to remove it all on one end at one time, as this could actually cause the aluminum to become jammed. Once you have the aluminum removed, it's time to size up your replacement aluminum. You can order your aluminum pre-notched and cut to length from Endura Products. However, if you do not elect to do this, you will have to follow the following steps to notch and cut your aluminum to length. Lining the aluminum up flush on one end, you can simply take a marker, mark your cut to length, and then you can come back and mark the location for your notches. Prior to replacing, come back in and just make sure that you've gotten all the excess caulk out, as this will make reinstalling the aluminum much easier. With all of the caulk adequately removed, you're now ready to replace your aluminum. Should you live in a zone that requires hurricane anchoring, RDS substrate is fitted with various hurricane anchor points. There are also some in the cap which would require cap removal. Using a rubber mallet, again, working from one end and across. With the aluminum replaced, you now have a flawless finish that didn't require sawzalling or crazy construction repair work.